great resources in Tampa Bay for children with autism, but what happens when those kids grow up? Well, this morning I found a great free resource for adults with autism that trains and places them on a career track.
Some CTC.
From his vast knowledge of loose leaf teas from around the world,
I would say our three most popular dishes on this menu are Asian noodles, our turkey or veggie paninis, and our pumpkin coconut soup.
to highlighting healthy fares on the menu at Kalijah Tea Lounge in East Tampa, Sean Wood loves his job.
I just enjoy working with people.
Kalijah Tea is one of the first small businesses in Tampa Bay to jump on board with USF's Learning Academy for adults with autism. And owner Kim Pham tells me interns like Wood are great hires.
He is great, really hardworking, really funny, fit in really well with everybody on staff already, and you can't tell that he's an intern. He just rolls with the punches, and when we get really busy, he runs around hectic, and he really, really pitches in and works hard, so we appreciate that.
So instead of just training local businesses how to become more autism-friendly, there is a push now for those very same businesses to hire adults with autism.
All of the students are doing internships in a career or a job they think they may be interested in once they leave.
There are 15 businesses across Tampa Bay offering internships through USF's Learning Center, and the hope is more will join the movement. And by the way, the Learning Academy is just one of the many programs offered through USF's CARD program, which is a free community outreach for both children and adults with autism. I'm going to be hosting their annual Fiesta by the Bay tonight in Ybor City, so come and join us for this family-friendly event.